Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add image effects to text on Canva. So go to text and add in a text box or anything you want, and I'm just going to type in treat people, something like that. Totally up to you what you want to write. And I'm also going to change the font of it to, oh, I meant everything. Okay, I'm also going to change the font size like so, and I'm going to change the color. After that, I'm going to press share, and I'm going to download it as a PNG, and I might change the background. Okay, then I'm going to upload that in here. I'm just going to add it to the canvas, and I'm going to then select edit image, and here you can add in image like effects to your like text. For instance, this one, this like duotone one, it can even change like the color of it, or like this liquify one, like this melt one, or the smudge one, or smear. You can also add the swirl one or spin, even the shake one. And yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!